What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King Darius, and today I got a surprise for y'all. Today we were making brown stewed chicken for two reasons. One, to get into my Jamaican roots. I'm half Jamaican for whoever didn't know. My dad's full Jamaican.
By the end of the day, he'll be whole.
And two, I know you. Stop pointing at you. You're hungry. I know. Today we are here with, matter of fact, let him introduce himself.
All right, y'all. So my name is Chef Bray, aka SouledOutChef. You might have seen me before on YouTube. If not, follow my channel. So today we're gonna get my boy right with some brown stewed chicken. He say he's half Jamaican, but I don't believe in half of nothing. We're gonna be whole by the end of this recipe.
All right, let's get it popping. These are our ingredients. Let's go.
Let's get it. Notice what I will.
What?
Ashy cutting board.
Ashy cutting board?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm learning.
I'll tell you how to do it. Chop the top off.
Like this?
Yep, perfect. Chop.
Right now we are chopping sweet peppers.
Red sweet pepper.
Red sweet peppers. I learned a new chopping technique.
Do it slowly. Do it slowly.
We just chopped up the scallions, put them into the bowl.
All right, guys, next we're gonna get some fresh ginger. See, I usually use ginger paste, but I know I gotta come correct when I'm cooking for my Jamaican folks, because I don't need no one talking about me and coming for me. I got y'all. So we're gonna use fresh ginger right here to give it that good flavor. I'm gonna set that to the side.
Now that everything's chopped up in the bowl, we're gonna now do garlic. This onion, red onion?
Now that's a shallot. So
Shallot.
it tastes like a red onion and garlic. It's like if garlic and a red onion had a baby.
Okay.
Give it a nice little mince. Matter of fact, you get in here and show me what you got with this knife skills right here, man. And keep your fingers.
I'm still learning. Like this, right?
Yeah, just like that. Yep. Give it a rough chop. That's good.
I'm learning.
Yeah. I'm gonna teach my guy how to hold a knife too while we're here. So you pinch the sides, grab the edge right there. That way it goes nowhere. And then you give it a nice. Give it a little pinch on the side. And after this, we're gonna be all done with our veggies. And then we're gonna get to the best part, chicken. I mean, I wouldn't recommend no one take a bite out of this, but you know, if you ever do like I did, it tastes like a red onion. What you're gonna do is
Pinch it.
Yeah, you're gonna pinch the knife like that, and your eyes might start crying. Mine are. Do a little bear claw right there. You're gonna give it slices this way, and you're gonna come that way. And tuck that thumb in behind the rest of the fingers. Yeah.
See?
Look like mine. Next, we're gonna grab us a bowl and get this chicken going.
Oh my gosh.
Right.
So what about an onion, or what is that called again?
Shallot.
Yeah, what makes the person cry?
When you you release the juices. You see how when you cut a lemon and the juices burst? So it's either you slice right through it or you make it juice. It's the same thing with shallots or red onions. So. All right, y'all, so next we're about to do this chicken, and we gotta clean our chicken. Listen, you got to, because we don't know what you do in your kitchen, but over here, we gotta clean it. We're gonna get this chicken onto a board, because you also gotta clean off the excess fat as well. Getting the skin off. All right, boom. So now, lemon, lime. Now we're gonna get this. All right, that was just a play.
I was enjoying.
I know, right? Lemon, limes to clean the chicken. Got to. I'm gonna give it a good squeeze. Yes, sir. Right up in there. Yeah. Now give it a good mix with your hands. Get in there, make sure it's all in there and cleaned. Take one of these and get the scrubbing in, giving the chicken a bath. Why? I don't know. You know? Yeah. But that's what they do. Squeeze all that lime out. See how that one's clear? Now I'll say one more and we're good to go. Now how clear that water is. And now you got some clean chicken. Alright, next, now that we clean the chicken, we're about to score it so we can season it and marinate it because, you know, we gotta have that seasoning to get in between. So scoring is pretty much giving it a nice slice so the seasonings can penetrate. So what we're gonna do is give it a nice little shank right down the middle on both sides. Yep.
So like
You wanna hold it from the bone side? That way you can hold it steadier. Yep.
Like that.
You can do another one on the other side.
And so it's like the opposite side. Or like
Yeah, I mean, you know, as long as you get to the bone, it really doesn't matter. Yep, just like that.
You see that? That's what I'm doing.
All right, next we're gonna get this chicken seasoned up after we done washed it and you guys seen it. So no one come for me in the comments and say, King Darius, SouledOutChef, you guys didn't clean your meat. Yes, we did. Argue with your mom, not me. I'm gonna add them peppers in there.
Okay.
Add half of that because we're gonna use the rest for later.
So just like
Yeah, you pour it right in there. Yup.
all it.
All of it. Shallots and garlic, get it up in there. Homemade jerk, about 2 tablespoons. Homemade browning marinade right here. A little bit more. Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. Gotta go to listen, all the ingredients, you gotta go to your nearest Caribbean market to get these. You can get some of them that's in the regular stores, but you gotta go Jamaican all the way. So hit it with some complete seasoning right here until your ancestors tell you to stop.
Right there.
And a little bit of Tony's
I
for
don't
the
think they told me
kick.
to stop yet.
Yeah, I don't think so either. A little bit of Tony's for the kick. Allspice berries. Yeah. All right, now that we got our meat marinated, pause. I'm gonna take a tomato and put it right in there. So I got to show you that part. We're gonna toss that in there. All right, now that we're getting our hands very dirty here and marinated as my Jamaican auntie would do. I don't really got a Jamaican auntie, but you know, I got best friends that were, and their aunties are like my auntie. So this is what you want it to look like, marinated, seasoned well. Now we're gonna let this sit for about an hour and then get it into our skillet. Just burnt brown sugar. So everyone use that technique to brown. All right, y'all, so we got this chicken and marinated for a few, and we're gonna get it seared off so we can get to the best part of the show, the food being done. So we're gonna get it into the scorching hot Dutch pot or Dutch oven, and we gotta hear this.
Can I hear this?
You add brown sugar while it's going. Get a nice fresh and brownness. So all of this right here, we're gonna keep it in the bowl because we're gonna get some water in there to get all that excess out. Add it to the pot so we can stew. And that's a lot of flavor. So you don't never want to get rid of that.
And if it doesn't look like this, then you're not doing it right. Like at all.
That's a perfect sear on a brown stewed chicken. Well, you put it in there. You don't really need it. This was chicken has been braising for about 5 minutes.
Is braise a word?
Yeah, braising is a word. That's pretty much braising. Yeah.
Braise.
Braise.
Braise. Yeah, not braising.
Breeze.
Braise.
Braise. Yeah, braise. I don't know. It should be behind the scenes. Look it up first, real quick. See, this is all why you should have a team.
Right now we're mixing the chicken. We're about to let the chicken braise. Add the remaining juices, liquids to the pot, and let the chicken cook by itself.
Yes, sir. So I'm gonna put that in there. Remember, I told y'all keep the rest of this liquid because that's where your broth comes from. And while it's braising, we're gonna let it stew. And put this top on, let the Dutch oven do what it do. All right, y'all. This is how it should look after it's been steaming. Everything's browning up. The sauce is thickening, and we're gonna add in our last couple of ingredients. We're gonna put this top right back on and let it finish stewing. We're gonna add the last little ingredients, and next thing we're gonna show you guys is the plating because we're about done. So there's about to put the carrots in there.
Start off.
Yes, sir. Don't forget the ginger to the end. I thought it was gonna put ginger, but never. You add that ginger in there towards the end. All right, so right here we have the secret ingredient. And the other secret ingredient, some chicken bouillon, about a tablespoon of that, and ketchup. If you know, you know. So you can see the sauce thickening up already. I'm gonna put the lid back on it and show you guys the plate and finishing touch. Ready to plate, ready to eat. You smell that, right?
Yep.
Now we're gonna put this on a plate. Eat up. I'm just gonna take a few pieces.
Why do you keep turning it so hot?
Oh, my bad. My bad.
Yeah. All right, now we're about to just grab 2 pieces of chicken for the plating.
Yes, sir. Plate it up so that people can see what we done worked on and did. All right, y'all. So we are at the finishing stage of this meal. That's how it's supposed to look. Take us some of that gravy and pour it right on top. All right, now I'm getting me some scallions for the garnish. I'm gonna dress this plate up. And I know you guys are looking at me like, why you ain't put gravy on the rice? So you don't even gotta worry. And then we go right there. Top it off with our garnish. Carrots, the sauce, the white rice, sweet plantains. And that is how you make brown stewed chicken.
If all y'all need your man that can cook, I'm right here.
You heard?
I'm right here.
We got Jamaican in this blood.
Here.
If a person don't try their food on camera, do not trust them. And we're gonna give you our honest review on our own food. So we're gonna take a bite out of this brown stewed chicken right here and get some rice. That's good. That's good right there.
That's really good.
A little sweet hit from the ketchup. The spice. That's how you make brown stew chicken, y'all. Full recipe in the captions.
Thank y'all for tuning in and watching the video. Remember how I said I was half Jamaican in the beginning? I'm full Jamaican now.
Hey.
This is how you make brown stew chicken.
Yes, sir. So you see it. Brown stew chicken by my man right there. Haitian Jamaican connection. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. And we catch y'all next time.